Vocational education is essential in India for several reasons. Skill development. Vocational education provides specialized training in specific skills that are in demand in the job market. This helps individuals develop practical skills that can make them employable and contribute to the economic growth of the country. Employment opportunities. Vocational education can provide individuals with the necessary skills and knowledge to enter into a range of industries, such as healthcare, manufacturing, agriculture, hospitality, and construction, among others. This can help reduce unemployment rates and improve economic growth. Industry demand. Many industries in India are facing a shortage of skilled workers. Vocational education can help address this problem by providing industry-specific training to individuals and producing a skilled workforce. Self-employment. Vocational education can also enable individuals to become entrepreneurs and start their own businesses. It provides them with the necessary knowledge and skills to start and manage their own business ventures. Inclusivity. Vocational education can be more accessible and inclusive compared to traditional academic education. It provides an alternative pathway for students who may not be interested in pursuing higher education and can also help individuals who have dropped out of school to acquire valuable skills and knowledge. Overall, vocational education is essential in India to promote skill development, address the shortage of skilled workers, promote entrepreneurship, and provide alternative pathways to education and employment.